going to go for a big e-bike ride. It's nearly dark. I'm going to try my lights out, cruise around, go through the woods, and it's going to be a good adventure. A little bit dubious, but it's going to be good. Well guys, this is it, we're outside. It's still a little bit lighter than I thought it was going to be, but it's going to get dark anytime soon, so I don't know what my cameras will record like. Might be a bit naff, but we're going to go out and have some fun anyway. Well guys, I don't know if you've seen that, but I just lost all power. Absolutely everything there. I'm not too sure what's going on. Occasionally it was picking up, but I had it on eco mode and I don't know if I'm overheating it or something, so stopped just for a minute. I've taken all settings off. The bike is currently unlimited, so if it runs now guys, you're going to see something that you've probably never seen before. This bike is now running 15,000 watts, full on, full pelt. If I have no more issues, it's going to be lethal. I'm loving it. My phone makes it look like it's still quite light, but it is getting kind of dark, and I'm loving this, man. I'm loving it. Fingers crossed I get home alright. Fingers crossed we're going to have a good adventure before I have to go home. And fingers crossed this issue isn't really an issue, but I'll keep you updated and we'll find out. Woohoo! Woohoo! You gotta love it when it's on full pelt, man. You have to, don't you? Right, come on then guys, are you ready for it? Woohoo! Oh, never! That's a bit fucking stupid. You've been for real. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. That was some bloody awesome fun, but seems to be a problem with the lights. We turned the lights off there and kaboom, bike's running fine again. I'm not too sure what's going on there. I'm a little bit concerned about it. Hope I'm going to lose wire or something inside that can cause a fire or, you know, something stupid, so it's not good. I'm still going for a play, bollocks, why not? That was pretty awesome. Woohoo! I forgot how good this machine is when you unleash it, and in the dark it just makes it 10 times more dangerous. Like, I don't even know these tracks and I'm just nailing it. It's like, yeah, go on there, son. Oh, I don't like to be a rebel, and I'm sorry for you guys who's going to disapprove of this video, but it's not very often I do a fast video, and this is just freaking mint. Don't know what was wrong with the bike before. I took the lid off, had a little jingle with the wires. I don't know if it's a loose connection or what. I'm not 100% sure what it is, but oh my god, I don't even care. Like, just bloody nail it, man. How freaking good is this, man? Out in the dark, out on my own, doing like 70 mile an hour on the e-bike. Yeah, man. Yes, and now we're going across these fields here. I've got no idea where they take us, but we're going to go blast across these. There's a track here, so I guess it's going to go somewhere. Guys, man, this is the life. Oh my god, this is the life. It's been a while since I related this e-bike to a motorbike, and oh my god, guys, like, if you do have motorbikes and you want some more legal fun, go and buy one of these things. Get one, build one, do whatever you're going to do, but you need one of these, people. Oh, you don't get freedom like this on a push bike or on a motorbike, man. It's like dark, I'm riding next to farms and cruising around, nobody even knows I'm here, not a soul, and it's absolutely freaking brilliant. Well folks, are we ready to go and rock these fields in the dark? I certainly am. Let's go and see where they take us to. Get them lights on, son. Come on, are you ready for it? Woohoo! Did a wheelie there. Woohoo! Jesus. Tell you what, like folks, I hope you're having as much fun as I am doing this video. This is absolutely bloody epic, man. You don't get around on an e-bike like this very often. Absolutely freaking fantastic. I know I keep saying it, man, but I'm shaking and everything with the adrenaline, man. It's absolutely brilliant. I hope my cameras have picked it up alright. I don't know where to go now. I think I'll just head home, do a short video for you because most of my videos is too long anyway. But I hope you enjoyed it.